Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Well, today I'm going to show you how to change out a battery. This is an old Jeep battery. It's from Kirkland, which is a Sam's or a Costco brand, and it's from June of 2012, so it's about 5.5 years old. It would probably last that long, but we don't use this car that often, so it doesn't get that much use, and it died. I've tried charging it the last couple days, but it's time for a new one. So we have a new one. It's right here with a fresh dusting of snow on it. And I'm going to show you how to safely take out an old battery, because you want to take it out to get the new one in, and you always want to take this one back to the store because they give you what they call a core return for it. This is the core battery they can recycle, good for the environment. It's usually between $10 and $20. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect any charging device you already have in it. So we're going to disconnect this. There we go. Here we are again. I took off the charging clamps on it. It's just a regular battery. These are pretty simple to get into, but the biggest safety concern you want to do is to not touch this terminal with your tool to that terminal. If you complete a circuit, even on this old discharged battery, you can get a nasty, nasty shock. So we're going to undo this screw right there. It looks like it's about a 1/2 inch. We'll try that out. We'll undo that, and that'll loosen the clamp, and we'll just pull it off the post. Okay, this is the metal tool that you don't want to connect from here to here, so it helps to have a deep shaft ratchet. Makes quick work. Don't undo it all the way, just enough to wiggle that puppy off the post. Same thing on the other side. Still be careful not to twist this a little. Not to twist the tool to touch both terminals. Should be enough to wiggle it off. There we go. And this is probably the hardest part. If you're a smaller person, this particular car, a Jeep, is high up off the ground. So you gotta lift up a good 35, 40 pound battery. There we go. And you look down here, always inspect the hull when you're done. This one has a battery box gripper there, so you try to slide your new battery under that and tighten it down with that. They're usually only one-sided. Okay. New battery goes right in there. And you'll see right here on the battery, this is that little lip that goes under there to hold it secure. It just helps the rattling noise. Okay, watch your fingers, son.
Sorry for the shaky camera.
Watch it.
This hose is in right here.
Okay, we can tighten that down. I'm going to dust the morning frost off of this. These new posts are nice and clean. Otherwise, I'd get my my tool that is basically a wire brush. Put it on there. So pound these back on, and we'll tighten them. Same tool. This is a 1/2 inch. If you're curious, it's a what is this? A '99 Jeep. Lots of cold cranking amps, and that's what you want, because right now it's about 10 degrees and the temperature is going down. We live in beautiful northern Wisconsin. Okay, we'll tighten that up. Get this done just in time for the Labor Day parade. Okay. So that's it. We survived. We didn't touch. You can push these down further if you want. Didn't touch the terminals. We just need to screw that little clamp on so it makes this battery a little more secure so it doesn't rock around like that, and we are done. So if you haven't ever changed a battery, that's how you do it. The big thing is don't touch the terminals at the same time with something metal or yourself, because it'll hurt. Hey, thanks for watching.